Today we're going to create a damage assessment report with the collector for ArcGIS. I'll begin by logging into my organizational account. Next, I'll see a list of all the maps I've created or have been shared with me in the map gallery. I can click on the menu button and I can see a menu where I can see a few options for organization, settings, and other various ways to sort my maps. I'll return to the gallery and I want to search for a damage map. I'll start entering my search terms and the maps will be filtered in the gallery. I'll tap on the thumbnail of the map I want and it will open up. By default, we're going to zoom to my current location here so I can collect a damage assessment near where I am. We'll give it a few seconds to get its bearings, and we'll create the Collect New tool. I'm going to collect a minor damage assessment, and we'll see a form with a whole bunch of attributes I can enter. Now I want to actually go back to the map view because I want to pan to a slightly different location, and I want to be able to tap on the map to collect my damage assessment there. Then I'll switch back to the form view, and I'll begin entering attributes about my damage assessment. We'll begin by entering the first name of the contact, and then we'll also enter the last name. And we'll enter some information about the occupancy status of the residence, and also whether or not the structure is habitable after the damage occurred. Also enter the number of occupants living in the residence, and then we're going to enter some information about the value. Enter some information about the value before the damage occurred, and then also the estimated loss that occurred during the damage. Finally, we'll enter some information about the primary cause of the damage, which was rain. Now I'm also going to add an attachment, a photo of the damage that occurred. So I'm going to go into my photo library, to my assessments album, and select an image of the damage that occurred to this structure. Now that I'm all done, I can click the Submit button, and that'll submit my damage assessment report. If I want to view what I just collected, I can come back to the map, zoom in, tap on the feature, see some general information about it, and tap the disclosure arrow, see some potential actions I can take on that. I'm going to show details, and then I can see the damage assessment report that I've collected. Now I'll press the map button to return to the map, long press on my results, and drag them off the side of the map.